A Murphy bed is a big project, and it can feel a little bit daunting, especially if it's your first time and you feel like you're doing it all alone. When you buy a Murphy bed kit from Wilding Wallbeds, the most valuable thing that you get doesn't even come in the box. It's the knowledge and experience of our customer service team ready to help you build your Murphy bed every step of the way. We've all dealt with companies where you can't find a customer service phone number, so you just have to fill out a form and hope somebody gets in touch with you. Or maybe you can call, but it just leads to a phone tree and maybe some offshore call center. And that is the last thing that you need when you're working on a big project like a Murphy bed. At Wilding Wallbeds, we have this crazy notion. When you call, we answer. And it's a real person at our production center who's an expert. Let me show you what it takes to get a hold of our team.
Wilding Wallbeds, this is Jody.
It's that easy. These days, we build thousands of Murphy beds every year, but we started right where you are, with a DIY Murphy bed kit that we found. And in the 30 years since, have encountered every problem imaginable, which means we probably know more about Murphy beds than anybody should. That means that when you're building one of our kits, you're working with the experts. So if you're kicking around the idea of building your own Murphy bed, visit our website to find which kit is right for you. And rest assured, our team will be there to help you every step of the way.